Whether you are checking customer lists, product codes, email addresses, order numbers, or transaction records, counting duplicates can help you clean data and identify repeated entries quickly. In this video, we'll show you how to count duplicates using Excel's built-in formulas and also introduce an easier way with Kutools for Excel. Method 1. Count duplicates with Excel formula. Step 1. Prepare your data. Step 2. Enter the COUNTIF formula. In a cell, enter equals COUNTIF. This is the range you want to search. The dollar symbols create an absolute reference, so the lookup range remains fixed when you copy the formula down. A 2 is the value being checked. Press Enter key. Step 3. Drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the rows. Now, each row will show how many times that value appears in the list. Method 1. Identify duplicates with Excel formula. If you only want to identify whether a value is duplicated, use the formula combines COUNTIF and IF functions. This counts how many times the value in A2 appears in the entire list. This checks whether the count is greater than 1. If the condition is true, Excel returns duplicate. Otherwise, it returns blank. The if function checks whether the count is greater than 1. If it is, Excel marks it as duplicate, otherwise, it returns blank. Press Enter key. Drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the rows. This makes it easy to distinguish repeated entries from unique ones without manually checking the data. Easier way, select duplicates with Kutools for Excel. If you want a faster way to find duplicate or unique values, Kutools for Excel provides the Select Duplicate Unique Cells feature. With this tool, you can quickly select duplicate values, select unique values, highlight duplicate values, highlight unique values. Install Kutools for Excel. Select the range you want to check. Go to Kutools tab. Click Select. Click Select Duplicate and Unique Cells. Whether you want to select duplicate or unique values. Identify the highlight style. Click OK. A dialog pops up to count the selected cells. Click OK. Kutools will automatically find and select the matching cells, making it easy to highlight, delete, copy, or further process them.